Hi, my name is Daniel and you are joining me today at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35. This Crafter comes in a 2-litre diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful Indium Grey with a metallic finish. Starting off with the front exterior features, you have front parking sensors to add for that extra safety, as well as a partially painted bumper for that extra sleek style. The Crafter also comes with a set of 16-inch steel wheels with a full-size steel spare wheel. Moving on to the rear exterior features, we also have a pair of rear parking sensors to help with that extra safety when parking as well. Opening the rear wing doors of the vehicle, you have a very large storage area at the back. The rear wing doors also open to 270 degrees with a magnet at the back. At the front of the vehicle, you are met with 3 passenger seats with Austin cloth trim upholstery in titanium black, as well as a 6.5 infotainment system. The infotainment system is touchscreen, which allows you to play your favorite radio stations as well as connect Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At the front, the driver is met with a 3-spoke black multifunction steering wheel. That concludes this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35. Thank you for watching and goodbye.